Introducing FlashDaddies, the White Hat Mafia. So frontrunners are a problem in the Ethereum space. Genuine arbitrageurs who spend time and money on researching prospective profits are met with failed transactions and wasted gas fees. This is due to front-running bots monitoring the mempool. Introducing FlashDaddies, we're illuminating the dark forest by catching and exposing frontrunners. We play frontrunners at their own game with reverse engineering, and we have great meme potential. So our main ideas, the general approach is using reverse engineering by monitoring and replaying transactions in the mempool. If the balance is profitable, we store the transaction hash and gas. And if there's a new block with a higher gas price, we can brand them as a frontrunner. Our targeted approach examines contracts such as Aave to find regular transactions with the same input data. If the transactions are identical, it's flagged as a potential frontrunner, and we provide a leaderboard to expose frontrunners who are branded with a shame token. So the architecture, we use Ganache, in particular the CLI with fork option, to connect to Invura or our own mainnet node in order to get the blockchain and the mempool. And we use Etherscan API to get the ABI for the smart contracts. So why are we different? We're exposing front runners, which has never been done before. And we asked the crypto community on Twitter whether they would welcome our project, and 71% said yes. And thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Tom, and I'm one of the developers working in the FlashDaddies team. I'll start this program running whilst I explain how it works. First, the Ethereum blockchain is forked and an account with a sizable quantity of tokens is unlocked, giving us access to this liquidity. We then take a record of the various token balances to give us a starting balance. Next, we query the mempool for pending transactions and iterate through them. For each pending transaction, we obtain the contract and method and rerun the exact same transaction, only from our newly unlocked account. Once the transaction has been processed, we recheck the token balance and see whether it was profitable. For profitable transactions, we store the transaction hash and gas price from the original transaction. This allows us to look at newly mined blocks on the Ethereum blockchain and find out if this transaction was front run. In the case of a front run occurring, we send the offending account a shame token via Matic. This special token is a modified ERC721 token that is minted for each recipient and prevents the receiver from sending it on. Tallying up who has the most shame tokens allows a score of the most prominent frontrunners. And this is a demonstration of our leaderboard. Thank you very much for your attention.